Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm going to walk you through a really useful skill if you're building a website on Wix: how to set up a content collection using the CMS, which was previously known as Content Manager, powered by Wix Data. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only know exactly how to get your site organized with dynamic collections, but you'll understand the logic behind each step so you can confidently manage everything from blog posts to product catalogs. So let's jump right in. The very first thing you'll want to do is head over to your Wix web design dashboard. If you're already editing your site, look toward the bottom left corner of your Wix workspace. This is where Wix now tucks away a ton of powerful tools, including the CMS. Go ahead and click on CMS. It's perfectly normal if you're a little unsure at this point. Just remember, this tool is designed to make your life way easier when handling lots of content. If this is your first time using CMS on your site, Wix will prompt you to Add to Site. This is essentially connecting the CMS to your website for the very first time. Think of it as laying the foundation for information that you might want to reuse, update, or display in different ways, like a digital filing cabinet that you get to fill up and organize however you want. Once you're inside, you'll see 3 sections or headers: Main, your collections, and Learn More. For now, focus on the Main header. This is where the action starts. Click Create Collection. This is the step that actually builds that digital cabinet we just talked about. A collection is basically a set of content items, like articles, recipes, or a list of products, bundled together so you can access, edit, and display them with ease. When you hit Create Collection, Wix presents you with 3 options: Create with AI, Import from CSV, and Start from Scratch. If you're feeling adventurous or just want things to go quickly, the AI option is fantastic. You just give it a sentence, and Wix can whip up a whole set of sample data that's surprisingly robust. If you already have a spreadsheet of information, use the CSV import. That's great for transferring existing data without lots of manual entry. Starting from scratch is best if you want total control and need to structure every field yourself. For demonstration, Wix provides a sample collection called Food. Go ahead and click to view it. This is your chance to see exactly how a content collection works in real life. You'll notice the structure: fields like name, category, maybe an image, all organized and ready to be displayed on your site however you need. This sample set is generated using AI, and honestly, it's impressive how much data Wix can produce from just a single sentence input. It's almost like giving basic instructions to a really fast assistant. Take a moment and explore that sample data. Don't worry if it seems a bit overwhelming. Remember, you can always customize it later, add or remove fields, and tailor the collection to fit your project. The beauty of CMS is how flexible it is. Whether you're running a restaurant site or an online store, these collections are your building blocks. And that's really all it takes. You now have a content collection set up in Wix CMS, ready to manage and display data beautifully across your site. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like and leave any questions in the comments below. I check them regularly and am happy to help out. Subscribe for more clear step-by-step tutorials on making the most of your website. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.